Hello and welcome to the first volume of this detailed two-part video guide to vanishing world steam, Cuba. Situated only 300 kilometers south of Miami, the Caribbean island of Cuba has in recent years become well known for its sun-kissed beaches, which attract frozen Canadians and Europeans in the winter months. But as we shall see, the rewards for transport enthusiasts willing to venture inland are equally as good. Since Fidel Castro's revolution took control in 1959, life has not been easy for the Cuban people,